Stop wasting time. This is your once-in-a-generation chance to turn $50 into up to $50,725.50. Ordinary people just like you are getting rich in 2018. If you read the news like me, you probably saw at least 100 stories about ordinary folks who made a whole lot of money from tiny little investments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. And you might be thinking that you missed your chance. But this is your shot at a white-hot crypto investment opportunity that the mainstream media is years away from finding out about. Today, I'm going to show you how just a few smart investments, even in the midst of an economic downturn, can help you see 500, 1,000, or even 5,000% returns on investment. 2018 is the year cryptocurrency millionaires are made. My name is Brian Daniels, and I'm here today to tell you about why the cryptocurrency market is still hot, no matter what you've read. Let's face the facts. Over the last several months, we watched Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies skyrocket, and a lot of people became rich, very rich. For example, Kingsley Advani made a $34,000 investment and turned it into $1 million in less than 6 months. Peter Saddington bought 45 Bitcoin for $115. In November, he cashed in his Bitcoin and bought a $200,000 Lamborghini Huracan. But that's not why I have written you today. I'm writing today to tell you about something much more important: how you can become a cryptocurrency millionaire even in an economic downturn. And I want you to get involved for less than the cost of a night out. Here's what you need to know. Many people only know about Bitcoin and Ethereum, maybe a few other semi-famous coins. But there are over 1,500 cryptocurrencies, many with their own functions, purpose, and proof of use cases, meaning that you can actually do things with them. Many more are still being made available each day, and a number of them continue to exhibit growth and excitement worldwide. Take a look at the exponential growth of the smaller cryptocurrencies recently. Here's what you must know. With over 1,500 cryptocurrencies worldwide, there are a select number of opportunities to build wealth fast. All you need to take advantage of this opportunity is a little bit of money, from $20 to $50, the knowledge to act, and the courage to make a potentially life-changing investment. There are coins that have shown increases of 100 times in just days. And if you can find them before it happens, you can definitely get rich. Investing $20 in the right currency at the right moment could see you making up to $2,000 the next morning. Consider DigixDAO, which skyrocketed 4,900% in value. If you're along for the ride, your tiny starting investment can become a down payment, the foundation of your retirement fund, or just your ticket to an unbelievably time-rich and wealthy lifestyle. So today, I'm going to explain to you how these coins can become the foundation of a fund that can really, truly provide for you and your family for decades to come. A robust, substantial retirement fund you can start living off of now, not in decades. I'm going to make it very easy for you to get started. Even if you're not an investor, or even if you've never invested in anything, ever. So, before we move on, I want you to think of a number. Not just any number, but the amount of money you would want in order to live an exciting, thrilling life that's full of fun, adventure, comfort, luxury, and anything else you've ever dreamed of. I don't mean living off a pittance in the same stuffy apartment, eating bad food and not much else. I mean that you get everything you've wanted, everything. Do you need $1 million, $2 million, $10 million? That's for you to decide. Here's what you need to know. Regardless of what that number is, the right investment in the world of cryptocurrency can make that number and your life goals a reality. In fact, you could make this life-changing investment and see returns in a month or less. Cryptocurrency is the hottest investment opportunity of our lifetime, and you are in the perfect place to capitalize. Think about how many Bitcoin success stories you've read. Think about the lists of wealthiest cryptocurrency holders showing up in publications like Forbes. Think about the fact that even after a brief downturn, experts are still forecasting the possibility of single coins being worth as much as $50,000 by the end of 2018. And the fact that the overall trends around cryptocurrency remain strong, with huge growth potential. Compare it to the stock market, controlled by big banks looking to make a buck off of anyone they can, predatory investors with only their own interests at heart, and the possibility of rampant inflation by the government leading to serious destabilization. Cryptocurrency is shifting the world economy, and you can still get in on the ground floor of many opportunities in this incredible space. The right investment at the right moment may lead to extraordinary gains. Consider Changpeng Zhao, recently profiled by Forbes. He made a simple investment of $1,000 in the cryptocurrency space. It became $2.3 million. He now runs one of the leading crypto exchanges in the world. All you need is a tiny amount of cash to invest, and you need to know which currencies to invest in, when to buy, and when to sell. This opportunity is 100% legal, newbie-friendly, and highly lucrative. Want to see how it could happen to you? Take a look at this. With just a little guidance, you can make serious cash, more than at just about any job you might have, in a matter of weeks. Will it happen to everyone? Probably not. Only a select few time everything perfectly in these volatile markets. However, this is an unprecedented time, and it really feels like anything can happen. I'm going to make sure it happens for you. That's why I've created a system designed to show you everything you need to know and keep you one step ahead of the biggest players in the crypto world. But before I show you, I want to ask you again. Do you want to join me in making millions? Here's a quick question for you. What would you do with $1 million, or 3, or 10? Would you keep working your job? Would you move to a new city or a new country? Would you give more to your family, your extended family, your friends? Here's what you need to know. It's your money, and you can do whatever you want. Want to buy a new house? Great. Want a Tesla, or a Lamborghini, or a Maserati, or all three, plus a lift for your garage? It's your decision, no one else's. You can spend your time on permanent vacation, eating amazing meals at 3-star Michelin restaurants, sleeping in 5-star hotels, and working on anything you've ever had to put off because of work. When you have complete and total monetary freedom, that's your life. No bills to take the wind out of your sails. No worry that a doctor's bill is going to ruin your financial planning. No chance of falling behind on a payment and losing a car or home, or worse. There are no guarantees, but the right investment at the right time could be life-changing and fast. Now, here's the best part. You can get started with just $200 or even $20. Here's the thing. These gains will be happening whether you act or not. You now know what's possible. You now know that people are becoming very rich. You now know that cryptocurrency is transforming how people think about money. And you now know that this is all still just getting started. Cryptocurrency continues a major upward trend. One Bitcoin has grown from being worth pennies to around $10,000 over a period of 8 years. That's incredible growth. But Bitcoin isn't the only coin in town. Over 1,500 digital currencies exist in the world. New ones with compelling use cases are being created every day. Some cryptocurrencies are positioned to make incredible gains in 2018. That's an increase of 19,080% in just a year. And there's more to come. That's a lot of opportunities to get rich. A lot of opportunities to buy and sell at just the right moment and turn a huge profit. In this early stage, cryptocurrency can still be life-changing. For example, Over a period of 57 days, Made Safe grew from 45 cents to $1.13. That's an increase of 151%. And that would have turned $1,000 into $2,510 in just 57 days. Now, if you'd been willing to invest $5,000 into Made Safe, you could have ended up with $12,550. Are you excited? Even now, cryptocurrencies are still making jumps between 300% and 3,000% every day, but not everyone knows how to find them or how to take action when they do. There are lots of coins, lots of bad advice, and lots of ways to waste your time. Sure, a few folks make a blind move and get lucky, but that's not common. You won't find out about these coins from financial publications. They're still just barely writing about Bitcoin. Your chances of hearing about the next wave of cryptocurrency from the mainstream media or even other crypto insiders is slim to none. Your financial advisor will want to sell you stuff they make commission on, mutual funds, bonds, stocks, and so on, but they're boring. They'll make you some money, sure, but do you really want to wait 50 years to spend any of it? Do you even have 50 years to sit around watching money appreciate in value? If you're like me, you want to live life now, not when you're old, like right now. And that means you need to think about the place where money is moving fastest, literally and figuratively: cryptocurrency. So, I want to ask you another question. Do you want to make money now? Or do you want to pull it from some kind of retirement fund in 20 years? If you want the benefits of a retirement fund while you're young enough to enjoy it, this is where you need to be. Nothing like this has happened in our lifetimes, and it could very well be your opportunity to get out of debt, out of a job, and out of anything else you don't want to deal with anymore. The people who took action are millionaires now. Why shouldn't you have the same opportunity? Are you willing to put up a few cents to be in on the ground floor of the new global economy? I've said this a few times now, and I'm going to say it again. There are winners, and there are probably over 100 losers. If you want the big wins, you need to be able to identify trends in the markets well before anyone else. You need to know the difference between great and just good. You need expert help, not from some old pro finance guy who doesn't understand this space, and not from your teenage relative who knows computers. You need to know what makes a currency a potential winner, when to buy, and when to sell to receive the benefits. That's where I come in. I'm here to position you to succeed. But before that, here's yet another story of growth and success. Steam made a lot of people wealthy, increasing 2,892% in just 1 year. That could turn $1,000 into $29,928.57. That's more money than most people see in a year. And what's at the center of this success? Simple: the right investment at the right time. That's why crypto is such an incredible opportunity. You may not achieve those gains, you may still miss opportunities, but you will also be able to find other opportunities to succeed, which in turn will lead to other investment opportunities. So, here are your options. 1. Keep reading stories of people who made the right investment at the right time and now get interviewed by old financial magazines that can't believe their success. 2. Write your own story and do whatever you want all the time. There's no opportunity like this in any other market. Why? It's simple. This is the beginning of a new way of thinking about money and technology that's changing how we do almost everything. And it means that winners are winning like few before them ever have or will again. That's why this is so important. That's why you're still reading. I have insider knowledge, and I've developed a unique system designed to identify upcoming trends like no one else. If you're ready to tell your boss that you quit and walk out of your job head held high, here's how you take the first step. First off, you get started now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not later today, now. I'll share my system with you, and you will be able to identify currencies set to grow by as much as 1,000%. You will know what they are, where to buy, and how to sell. You won't ever regret missing out again. However, I can't stress this enough. The cryptocurrencies I'm talking about are still small, like pennies or fractions of pennies each. This is for people who are comfortable with taking a few calculated chances. This is for people who want a real fortune. For people who move fast and act now, it may lead to a big reward. Is that you? If it is, I want you to be able to tell that a cryptocurrency is about to make big moves, both when it's going up and if it's headed down, so that you can turn a serious profit in record time. Introducing the Crypto Cash System. I've developed a highly specialized system designed to help you find winning crypto opportunities. It's really simple to use, and I will be on hand to help you every step of the way. The Crypto Cash System will show you everything you need to know to identify potentially huge growth and the tool that may make you into a crypto millionaire. It's crazy. The gap between those who have a lot and those who have next to nothing has never been wider, and this is your chance to cross that gap in a matter of months or weeks or days. That said, I cannot stress this enough. You need to be ready to move fast. You need to understand that this is a volatile market. You need to be willing to put in a few minutes' work each day, because if you do, you're going to position yourself for very, very real success. This is not about making an investment and hanging on to it for a while. This is about investing, watching currencies grow, and selling. When do we sell? This is where the Crypto Cash System comes in. You will know when the time is right. If you put this unique system to work, you have the potential to spot at least 2 to 4 great investment opportunities a month, and that could very well help you become a crypto millionaire. You don't need to know a whole lot or anything about investing. You don't need any experience making investments. You don't even need to have a whole lot of money to work with. But I need you to be smart. I need you to be committed. I need you to be ready to take action now and maybe win big. And I'm willing to give you this knowledge for just $27. You may not walk away with millions, but your $27 could become up to $100,000. When you get the Crypto Cash System, you'll receive a complete set of guidelines, tools, and strategies for when to buy, when to sell, and how to find these incredible opportunities. I want you to feel completely comfortable as you jump into this brave new world. That's why I'm offering a 60-day money-back guarantee. If it isn't for you, just email us and we'll return your money right away. We are that confident in our product, our system, and its power to change your life. So, if you're ready, enter your email now to register and get access. If you're ready to rewrite your life story and set yourself up for success like never before, all you need to do is enter your email and click the yellow button. There are few guarantees in life, and I can't guarantee you a new life, but I can tell you that this opportunity won't last, and this could be your chance to level the playing field. Your gateway to wealth in a world that wants to keep it out of your hands. Simply enter your best email address to get started. Download your system for a one-time fee of only $27. Register sooner, not later. I can't promise you that this knowledge will always be available at this price. Enter your email, click the yellow Add to Cart button, and let's get started. See you in the members area.